Okay, we are live, yeah. So
Right,
now
right.
we need to put our chart thing. Yeah, we got our chart. Yeah, it's fine. Everyone can see.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So S&P, yeah. I believe we made a new high as well, na S&P mein.
Correct, correct.
And I was talking briefly to Larry early in the morning, na.
Okay,
I woke up around 6 o'clock in the morning, na.
right.
So he rang me quickly and we were talking, and he was saying that something like, I think this year, some counting or whatever, okay, S&P has made new highs, I think around 62, yeah, 63,
Okay.
which was interesting, 9 times 7 kind of job, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And Vulture se baat hui thi, when was it, last week, na?
Yeah,
So Vulture did tell me that now we have to be aware, we are
yeah.
getting in the DZ death zone.
Correct, correct.
So that is another confirmation there, no?
Right.
Okay, so yeah, mainly nearly everyone is what you call
Yeah,
a Templar here anyway.
right.
And I've joined Santosh and Naveen in there as well now, no?
Right,
So
right.
they
Yeah,
are
I
in,
saw that. I saw it by, yeah.
yeah, they are there as well now, no? And yesterday he was doing the Ninway constant.
Okay,
It
okay.
was fun. It was fun.
Right.
It was, I think, bit of a brain blast for everybody. Okay, so we are on first of the month. Na? They call it the 401k day in America, na? When the hedge funds and them buy in or whatever be it, na? And pensions and whatever. And we got the ISM at 3 o'clock, so 10 a.m. ET, and we got oil inventories at 3:30, which is 10 ET, and we got OPEC 2-day meeting, yeah?
Right. Yeah, yeah.
So
That will be major for crude.
So is the leak the news or whatever, we will get some movements, yeah,
Correct, correct.
in oil and whatever. Um, and what I'm going to do is, this Astro stuff, na? I'll
Yeah.
write it out and put it later, yeah.
Okay, okay.
And I think third of September, na,
Uh,
we got, I think, new moon in Virgo.
okay, okay.
So new moon is in 2 days time, yeah. So in
Yeah,
case
yeah.
you forget, yeah. So S&P, let's have a look at H1. Okay, it's like a double topish at this 4540 area, yeah. We are at 4536 area, yeah.
Right.
It is a sell. We can sell it. It should
Correct.
at least give us the minimum threes and fives anyway,
Yeah.
yeah. So I don't know. Let's be crazy. Let's be crazy. Let's be crazy. Okay. Here we are, 4536.68 cell. Okay. And let's put it in our banner as well. Okay. ESSP 500, SP 500 in bracket, Putes, Oxy, that. I need Badam Nishanpai.
Yeah.
We hit the number and I had forgotten the exact number, Minimum plus 3 plus 5 plus 10. Okay, so they can decide which they want. Add banner and we can show it. There we are. So this is done. And also in what you call in our Discord, I have taken a sale in DAX already. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's pointless to say it because it is written there. If they are there, they can see it anyway. Yeah. Because that trade we are not doing here, it's already there. Yeah. It was done about maybe 45 minutes, 1 hour ago. Yeah.
Okay.
And it should be a bit green anyway. 15963.50, and it's around 33 points in green.
Hmm.
Yeah, because we are at 15935. Well, 13940 now. Yeah, so it's a little
Right.
bit green. Yeah, So okay, um, make sure guys you get all the levels. Yeah. So we're looking for the highs to sell, and keep in mind we've got non-farm payrolls on Friday. Yeah. Okay. So nobody's saying anything. Dow, similar situation. Okay. Same as what S&P does. Yeah. But you need to watch the C1 area. Need to watch the C1 area. Use that as our barrier and retrace. Yeah. Okay. And no one any questions? Nothing. Everyone is quiet. Okay. Nasdaq, same. It is going faster than the other ones at the moment. Yeah. And that has gone. We know the marker is around this 156, about 80 points above. Yeah. So we can use the C1 area as a must hold. And LOC needs to crack for a lower. And obviously, without us saying now, everyone should know that क्या है हमारा ये? You must draw the lines in the middle. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Um, Nifty. Wow. Okay. Nifty is very high as well. So wobbly cup, but maybe breakdown. Need to watch it around C1 area. Nishant, what do you think?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because at the moment it's roughly between the middle line. Yeah.
Right, by. And also sort of a channel from the
Ah,
previous.
channel B hai, and also this one, and you see like it's tried to do a curve, but it's like kind of failing. Yeah.
Correct, correct, correct.
So unless it goes up and it confirms, na?
Right.
See, so C1 and we had this big poke up here, yeah?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So we need to watch for the poke and drop, yeah?
Right.
And ye bhi hai, for the guys looking, we do have this intact.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
We do have this intact. You know, I know I'm drawing rough now. So we need to watch this area to come back, and unless it drops that, yeah?
Hmm.
Unless it breaks that, and if it comes to MOB, then you know something else is going on. Otherwise, the bugger can keep on doing this forever if it wants.
Yeah,
Nah?
yeah.
Yeah, so we have to be careful on that. Um, okay. And another thing, Nishant, when we get time later, what we'll do, or maybe tomorrow or whenever, Dr. Sunil Bhai was saying, you know, the silver and gold we have got. The
Yeah.
silver we have got is like the big silver, I think. He wants the smaller silver.
Okay, okay. Mini.
Mini silver numbers. Na?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's what he was looking for. Na?
I think it is there, by we can do it because
Okay.
the trading view may hai na, we'll do that.
Ha. Yeah, that's what I mean. We got the bigger one. Na?
Correct, correct, correct.
So I said, okay, if he's trading that, then we better
Yeah.
get the right one. So this one, 159.60, we are at around 30, 35 odd points in green already in Daxi, yeah? The trade posted in the other one. But 16, we can say 4 times 4 is 16, yeah? We need that area as a must hold. If it goes above that, then it's fresh air up, yeah? But needs to break the MOB and LOC area. But the DAX character we know is when it does it, it will do this similar kind of thing. Because it either goes up like crazy or down like crazy, na? So it's near enough coming to MOB anyway. See, MOB is near done while we are talking. So at least it's moving. Nishant bhai, afternoon. Okay, Reza is just listening. Salam Ahmed. Okay, yeah.
Ahmad is on YouTube, I think.
Oh, okay. Oh, good, 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 good. And one more thing, I saw our FBI making comments on YouTube. Yeah, I had to delete them unfortunately day before as well. Nah?
Okay.
FTSE same, even boring, but maybe if you want, you can put your stop just above the C1 and see if you can get 10, 15, 20 points. Yeah, but I personally, like I said, is my pet, not my pet hate, but I don't like it. I find it
Right.
too boring. Too boring. It just, Nishabha just doesn't agree with my, what you call, my makeup. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vibrations are bad.
I don't like to trade it. No?
Yeah.
CAC, look at it, it's then a gap up open, and we are above the C2. The Frenchies are on onions or frog lips.
Okay.
So whatever happens here, it will test halfway mark and test the C2 at least. Yeah, it will test the C2. Whatever it does, because it's left this, and we know it's left this gap. For those
Mm.
who trade gaps, yeah, we know this gap area will become a target, but needs to do that. And if it breaks that, then that becomes a target now, because the gap doesn't have to fill in one day. It can take time now. But this is basically a gap open. There's a gap here. But this is just, I don't know, buy and buy because no one trades it. Yeah. Okay. Oil is trickling down. So nothing to do in oil at the moment. We need to wait for the oil inventories, and we got OPEC 2 days as well. But generally, like we said, if it is negative pre inventories, let's see if they do a spike up. If they do a spike up, and also obviously we got the news of that hurricane, whatever it does, yeah. Um, okay, Brent will be similar as well. Yeah, Brent is similar. Okay, yeah, nothing doing at the moment. Okay, everyone on gold. Okay, we don't need this line here at the moment. That was us showing some of those people the other day. Last time when we were talking and we said 1788, I think, and 1777 or whatever, I think it did that, yeah?
Yeah.
And then we went up to, I think, around 1819, 1820 area maybe.
Right.
And yesterday, I think we've done like what you call 1801 and 1819, say 1820, yeah?
Right. Right.
Yeah, say 1801 and just roughly 1820, yeah? 1818, 1820. So it's the same game. At the moment, nothing to do. Just need to wait. If it comes around this C1 area, look for a short. Otherwise, comes around the round number 1800, see what is happening, yeah? And also, now the liquidity is turning into the month contract, yeah?
Hmm.
Because, the monthly ones finished yesterday. So today is the first day of the new monthly gold contracts, yeah? So let's see. At the moment, it's sleepy. Let's see what happens. Wakes up in the American, yeah. But let's see. Let's see what it does. But at the moment, it's still like in sideways move. Still in a sideways move. See, it's still in that range, that flag. So we can use the flag as just buy hit, buy hit, buy hit, but it is like undecided at the moment. Undecided at the moment. Yeah, we can't definitely say the bias is down or whatever, no? But when the move happens, it will happen like all of a sudden. It will be news or something or whatever, I don't know. or something will happen. Silver, gold is kind of trickling up, but silver at this 24 and 24.2 area and it's lost it to 23 area, 2370, yeah? And we know from before we said 2350 and 2355 is very important, yeah? So if it gets around there, we need to watch that. But here, at the moment, it's too slow, nothing to do, yeah? Okay, no one any questions, nothing? Gold futures, same thing. What is the difference between future and that one? It's $1, Nishan bhai.
Okay.
1811, this is 1812, yeah?
Yeah,
0.6,
yeah.
10.9, 1812.6, around 1.3, $1.3, yeah? So they're nearly the same. So because of this contract usually the difference is around, we've seen is around 3 and 4, no? 3,
Right.
4, 5. But at the moment it's same nearly. We can say $1 is neither here nor there, no?
Yeah.
Okay, euro we had said buy, yeah? It is still a buy. So look for the dips to buy in euro. And what we need to see is, I think, is it 91 or maybe that area we will see when we come to the dollar index. If it goes there, chances are if this one does a low and pops up, then we will take out the C2.
Yeah.
So I would say the idea minimum will be 1.1890 at least, is a round number, na? 890. So we need to watch that. But you can look at dips to buy into. Dips to buy into, yeah? And we need to watch the dollar index DXO. We will see the exact number. I think it's around 91.33 or 91.22 area, yeah? If the dollar index goes to there, that should push the euro up. Yes? And obviously, if we are buying euro, question for all you guys, Nishant Bhai is banned from answering. Nishant Bhai is banned from answering. If you are buying euro, what do you do? What else can you trade at the same time? Guys, answer. If you buy euro, what do you sell? Shout out, write it, whatever, but say something. And unless you say something, we're not going ahead. Nishant Bhai. No answer, no forward. Aha, Tamil Bhai, Reza, brilliant, bravo, Afarin, well done, Afarin, good. Sell USD CHF, yeah. And you can use the USD CHF as to when to get out as well, yeah. Because if it starts turning the opposite way, you can tighten up on euro or something, yeah. So you can use it for entry as well as the exit kind of situation as well, no? And remember, even though I'm saying 1.189 and things like that, if you are happy with 20 pips, 25 pips, 5, 10 pips, that is not trading, okay? That is messing about, yeah? Try and get at least 20 to 25 pips from a trade, yeah? And even though I say like 1.189 or whatever, yes, it can get there. It doesn't have to get there today. But if you are happy with 10, 20, 25 pips, bank it. And then you can enter again. Yeah. Look for a pullback and enter in again. So we need USD CHF. Okay. So if we are buying that one, we are going to look at USD CHF to sell. Yeah. Okay. And let's see what it has done recent. So you know where the policemen are as well. Yeah. But volatility now should start to increase, no? DAX Nishant Bhai is already like 60 points in green, huh?
Okay.
And our S&P, let's see, where did it go? Yeah, S&P is about 1 point in green. 1 point in green. Yeah, 1 point in green. And today, hopefully, Nishant Bhai, I will grab hold of the ninja people. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. AUD USD, you can put your stop just above the what you call the C1 and give it breathing space. Make a line in between. Make a line in between, in between, in between. You can use a stop here or just above here, depending on your risk appetite. And then when he crosses that and he gets to MOB, you need to lock in maximum. Yeah. Okay. So there you are, and you got all the numbers. Yeah. Okay. So what is Mr. Kiwi doing? No, pound now we got. Okay. Pound actually nothing to do at the moment. Yeah. So need to wait, and maybe you can look at the pound as to when the dollar index goes down, and then you can look to maybe buy into the pound. Yeah. But at the moment, nothing to do. If it comes around F1, maybe you can look to take a small buy and put your stop under the recent lows. Yeah. But don't give it too much room. Yeah. Okay, so that is done. Euro JP, where are we? Okay, same. Use C2 area and look for a small sell. Yeah. Yeah. Look for a small sell. Yeah. Look for a small sell. Okay. And we know the big policeman is here. Okay. Okay. Anybody? Anything else? GBP yen, same situation. Use the C2, break C1, MOB. Anyone? Any questions? Okay. Okay. DAXI. Okay. Sell AUD USD. Yes. Adam, welcome, 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 welcome. New Zealand card. New Kiwi, same situation, but it's slower. It's slower, yeah. And also look at the difference, na, between C1 and here is only like 30, 36 points. Between here and here is like 10 points. It's not worth it. It's not worth it unless you hold it and nurse it a little bit. Yeah. USD CAD is, we've said swing buy. Yeah. So you look to buy. The sells you can use like hit and runs, but you can scale in small and hold a bit. Yeah. If I'm going too fast or something, do shout as well. Euro AUD is a buy as well. You can use the recent low F1 and LOC area. You should look to get out or see the action there. Yeah. Okay. And do one thing today when you make the comments on the YouTube or whatever. Write down exactly which pairs you trade, so we can concentrate more on that. Yeah. We can concentrate more on that. Give that more time. Same. Put your stop above here, C2, break to halfway, and see if you can come down. Yeah. That's AUDJP, by the way, as well. Yeah. And what is 4 hour doing? Yeah, we can see that. We can see that as well. Daily, we know the policeman is here. You can give it room and down. But you see it's up. Well, this is the policeman area we need to watch. Yeah. So you need to, if you want to hold it a bit, you need to keep this area in mind. Yeah. This area in mind. And then either a mental or physical stop, but don't keep adding like this all the way. Just if you take a trade, let it breathe and then down. Okay. And obviously you need to look at the speed of the move. Yeah. How it is moving. It is quite perky. See, it's quite perky. So you can do something with that. Okay, Euro NZD. That's a buy as well. Yeah, that's a buy as well. But you need to keep this area in mind. And yep, it makes sense. And yes, it makes sense. Yeah. What about the daily? Okay, this is the bottom one. If you're going to hold it for a while and then take it up. Yeah. But at least today things are moving a little bit, Nishant bhai. Last few sessions we did, nothing was bloody moving. Nothing was moving.
Yeah.
This one is slow. This one is slow. GBP CHF, yeah? It's slow. Okay. Now this is slow as well. This is slow as well. AUD GBP NZD is slow, but you can put your stop under here and see if you can ride up a bit, yeah? And does it make sense on the other one? Yes, it does. Does it make sense on the 4-hour? Yes, it does. On the daily, we know this is major support area and we can do something. Yeah. So you're getting confirmations. You're getting confirmations. Yeah. No one any questions? Wow. AUD card, I would wait. It is slow. But if you are aggressive, stop above here and see what you can do. Yeah. But okay, so AUD CHF, that is a sell as well. Use the C2 area as your marker, halfway line, C1, and then draw the lines in between. CAD JAPI. Unless you're aggressive, take it. Otherwise, better to watch it because it has done from C2 to C1 already. Yeah. So if it pings up and gives you a pullback, then you can look in. Otherwise, we missed the boat. We missed the boat a bit. Yeah. And it's moving, but the speed is not that great. If it starts to break down, quite nicely, then it's different. So you just have to wait on that one, wait it out. Okay, this one is CAD CHF, same thing. Above here, sell, middle line, MOB. GBP AUD, it's a buy one as well. Yep. Okay, here we need to be careful that if you take a buy, then this area you need to watch. Otherwise, it's fresh air down here. Yeah, need to be careful. And also, if you just drew a rough line, we can say those guys reading the textbook is like breakdown, isn't it? Yeah. So I would say question mark. Wait on it, unless it comes here and stops and starts to give you a confirmation, then you can buy. Otherwise, I would say just watch it. Just watch it. Yeah. Just watch it. Because so far we have looked at so many with opportunities. If we miss a few, doesn't matter. Okay. This one, put your stop above here, USD JP, and down. But the difference is like 20 pips, 40 pips, yeah, 60 pips. So it's up to you. But it is a sell. It is a sell. Yeah, it is a sell, but it is not that great in volatility at the moment. Chocolate, nice drop. Yeah. Okay, GBP CAD. It's a buy as well. It's a buy as well. Okay. Wow. Nishad bhai, nobody is asking anything today. They're very well behaved. Very well. Guys, it's not Friday, it's Wednesday. It's Monday, Tuesday, and then WTF. Even the days swear at us, Even the days swear at us. This one you can use this as a policeman. Stop above here, keep 120 in mind and down. 120, sorry, 49 in mind, yeah. But make sure when I give you all the numbers, huh? Okay, VIX is a buy, yeah. VIX is a buy. VIX is a buy. But still, even with all this S&P and them going up like rockets and all this and whatever, the volatility index is not bloody going like bazookas so yet,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know, which is makes you wonder, nah? And guys, you use scalping and all this, you use like stops, nah? So you use stops. Stops, I mean, you can have like we say you can have a hard stop or a mental stop or no stop, yeah. Or you can have what is known as a cash stop, yeah. Cash stop is, you say, if I'm losing $20 or $50 or whatever, that's it, and you get out. So it's a cash stop, yeah. Use your money stop. And have you ever heard of something called a VIX stop? Anybody come across that, guys? Nishant Bhai is not allowed to answer. Huh? Anybody, guys? Okay, VIX stop basically is, like if you're trading S&P 500, and you can use the VIX stop, and what they do is you can do like 20 20% of this, or not 20%, say 20 of that, so you get 3.6, yeah, 3.6, say 3.6 or 3.5 or whatever, and you use that as your stop in a trade in S&P. So that is called a VIX stop. And if you are using 3 or 6, 3.6, say we make it easy, say we say 4-point stop, yeah. If you're using a 4-point stop in ES, then you can say times 10, say 40-point stop in the Dow, yeah. And you can put probably 40 stop in the DAX as well, yeah. Because DAX and that 1-point move in ES is like between 8 and 10 points in Dow and DAX, yeah. So you can use a VIX stop. Maybe for many guys that will be something new. So use the volatility index as a marker. Okay, question. If Friday mega crooks day, yes, non-farm payrolls. It's actually non-farm payroll as well. It's just like you can call it a Russian roulette, no? Roulette wheel. It's just how they want to spin the numbers. And say like they say they added so many jobs or this, that, or other, or whatever have you, and then they revise it up or down, yeah. So makes you wonder that they have all the economists and the best ones in the world, and they spent a whole month analyzing the figures and whatever. Then how can there be a revision after a month? Crooked buggers, It's just like your bank balance. They know exactly how much you should have or whatever. Yeah. So then with the technology, they should know exactly the number of people who got a job or didn't get a job. No? And also, what happens with the spin of numbers is, say, if the news comes out bad and it rallies, and then they will say, yes, it is bad, but it could have been much worse. So it is good. Yeah. And similarly, when the news comes out good and it drops, they say it is good, but it is not good enough. Yeah. So, and then obviously non-farm payrolls the hullabaloo will last for about, say, half an hour, 45 minutes. And then when the real market opens, it is kind of near enough like forgotten. Yeah. Fizzle out. Same like CBC with the Fed, spike up. By the end of the day, it is fizzled out, or by next day. Yeah. That kind of thing. Okay. Maybe Friday. No, Friday I don't think so, because that osteopath has told me to go at 12:30. Yeah, so I will miss the Fed. I'll miss the farm payroll. Okay, Mexican, no one does. New Zealand CHF is a sell. Use C1 as your marker. Halfway line, MOB. Okay, all the numbers are here. Euro CHF. Nothing doing Euro CHF at the moment. It's doing similar that other one we were looking at, Nishan, by half cup and messing about. Yeah.
Right, right.
New Zealand JP, it is a sell as well, but where is C2? 60 points above, 30 here, 30 here. Maybe it can be aggressive and put a stop just above and look at add here. Okay, that that is a sell as well. Okay, dollar index. Okay. 92.78, say 93 is above. Okay. Okay, 93 area just touched last week. Okay. Yup. Okay. So 92.50 area, whatever, if it pokes there, euro should start shooting up. Breaks the MOB. So yes, our idea is right in the euro. Buy the pullback, yeah? Buy the pullback. Okay. Copper, what is Dr. Copper doing? Wow, Dr. Copper is way down, huh?
Yeah.
So usually the floor traders say that it marks, gives a clue about the S&P beforehand, yeah? So let's see if it is true. Let's see later, yeah? And also, by the way, Nishant, by today is S2L, huh?
Okay.
Is S2L, so we are looking for the first spill high, and then the first hour, 45 minutes, 90 minutes, say, for a splat down, yeah?
Okay.
So basically it does a deep or a shallow, it either does a deep drop, or it does a shallow and then we start to make up, or it does a deep drop and then we make a letter V, yeah? Letter V up. And what pattern it can give is like a tennis ball dropping down the stairs, or makes a V and then climbing the stairs, yeah? So let us see how it works out. Let's see how it works out. Okay, this one, copper we seen. Platinum. Wow. Copper down, platinum up. Amazing. Okay. Here, nothing to do at the moment. Nothing to do. Soybeans, even though no one trades, they were down as well. And I think the crop report will be tomorrow, Thursday. Crop report will be a Thursday, yeah? Okay. So it had a good pop up. It's like a boat or a wobbly W, yeah? So we wait and see. Here was gap up and dropped. So if it pops up, we can drop it, yeah? Or you can take a small sell here and add area around here. But nat gas, guys, don't look at this 4 and whatever have you. It is a mad mover. It's a killer mover, yeah? It's a killer mover. Coffee is above our 192.50. So you can maybe watch and see a pop up to add in, yeah? But we are still holding. We are still holding. Okay. Bitcoin. Okay, it's trying to go up a bit. So let us see here. Nothing to do. If it does a nice move over around this 48, 49 area, it is a sell. Yeah, here nothing to do. Nothing to do. Our last Bitcoin that I done, it had landed with 1,000 points. I think Ahmed took it at 49, and I just took it. I think 48, 890 area. Yeah, 48, 890 area. Okay. Litecoin, same thing. We need to wait this 176, 180 area to sell. At the moment, nothing to do. Nothing to do. Ethereum is still going up. Okay, need to watch it. 357 times 5, 35. 36. Okay, wait and see. Nothing to do. Ripple. Ripple is sleepy. Sleepy. Okay. Kroner. Kroner is up. Nothing to do. Either around this area, look, it has popped up and down. Now it's still popping up. So the other one you need to watch is the halfway mark of this red drop to do anything around the middle here. Otherwise, nothing to do. But no one trades it anyway. I don't think anyone is. So now we give you the, can write this down maybe. We can say US 30 Dow cash because the other ones were the future levels. This is the cash levels, yeah. Okay, and you're looking for pop to sell. Okay, so that is the Dow. Now we look at S&P 500. Okay, US 500 SPX cash daily levels. Yeah, okay, so that is that one. Okay, so I don't know why, but I always look at Indian rupee. Oh, it's coming down a bit today. Indian rupee is going down. My holiday will be cheap in India, Nishant bhai.
Right.
Okay, okay. Amsterdam, the gap up open, and now it's coming up, so we need to watch. But no one trades here. Only Vulture does. Yeah, we don't do this one. USD try. I think Desinon was asking as well. It's a small buy. It's a small buy. And I think, yeah, because look at the drop it done. Woof, one. Wow. Okay. No wonder he was asking. Okay. Um, 30. Okay. What is Hang Seng index doing? Okay. It's sideways. Need to wait. Need to wait. Nothing doing. New Zealand CAD sideways, range bound and slow. Range bound and slow. It's just like a line going around or going down. Just a line. Can't trade that. Just a line. Just a line. Nothing doing. Nothing doing. Nothing doing. Okay, Nikkei. Same. Sleepy. And also, I think Nikkei contract or whatever it might be ending soon as well. Nishant bhai.
Okay.
Um, and obviously, we got in 2.5, 3 weeks time. We've got the quarter expiry as well. Yeah.
Right.
Okay. This one you can Rand. Look at the F1 area below to buy a little bit and need to watch the LOC area, yeah? As a trade, but it's slow. It's very slow, very slow, very slow. Euro card, nothing doing. We missed the F1, it's going to LOC. Need to wait. If it comes down, then we can give us a nice pullback to buy in. Eric trades Singapore. Singapore is up, but nothing doing. Nothing doing. Yeah. So I think we've done. Any questions or something in private? Okay. Okay. Oi, Osman is here. Salam, salam, salam. Osman, salam alaikum. Welcome, welcome. I just saw you. Or maybe he can't talk because he's at work, yeah? Okay, 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 okay. Got you, got you. Yeah, so any questions, anybody or anything? By the way, our DAX is, where are we? 1.5963. It's 62 points in green, yeah? It's 62 points in green. So half a legion is done already. So anybody, any questions or anything or whatever? Nope. Nishan, they're all very quiet today.
Yeah.
You are, Osman is in love with Venus. 225, yeah? Venus is 225. 225. And 225, and I think it's also related to, I forget the other one, which is 248. Brain gone dead. I forget which planet that was. You got a surprise waiting for me. You're going to get me married again, Osman. Once is enough. I got life, what you call sentence, Once is enough. No. If I would have committed murder, they would have paroled me after 25 years, No, no, no. Yeah, okay. So any questions, and then we can maybe switch off, yeah? Anybody? Nope. I think Nishan, but we can, and gold,
Gold.
gold. Okay, let's have a look. Gold again. Okay, let's put rough markers in gold. Yeah, we know roughly we can say 1800 to say 1820. Yeah, it has been going in that sideways range. Yeah, and where are we now? Around 1810, 1813. So we can do the cog of that at 1810 area. Okay, you can do it more in detail. So we know that this area is support. And below that, we got the 1795, 1797 area. So now if it comes up, the old numbers don't die. We got the 1822 and 25. Okay, you can look around there for a sell. If it is faster, then you need to look at the 1833 area for a sell. Yeah, but still it is. It has had many opportunities to fly off. It has not. It is just coiling, 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 coiling. But whatever trade you take, just hit and run, bank it, and then enter again, hit and run and bank it. Yeah. Okay. But at the moment, there is nothing to do as such until it gets to the defined range that it has made us so far. We need to watch there. Yeah. But ultimately, like I keep on telling you, the fire of London is not dead yet. Somehow, somewhere, something will happen and it will do that. Okay. But doesn't mean you get married to him. In between, you can do the hit and runs, hit and run as the longs, and short you can hold a bit. Yeah. But use size. Keep saying this all the time. Size small, please. No heroics. Yeah. No heroics. Okay. And obviously, when because we are in Discord, every one of us, when it starts to move or something happens, and I am short from 1816. Yeah. Um, when was it? Last week or Friday or whatever. I posted 1816, and I wasn't online. We went to around this 1801 area. I have not taken it off yet. I would have taken it off had I been here, but no, I did not do anything. Yeah, because I wasn't online or anything. So that is still on. Yeah. Okay. So anybody, any question now, or that's it? I don't know. Any comments? Yes, Adam, it is still sell the rallies. It still sell the rallies. Yeah, like we talked last night. Yeah. Okay, guys. So any business, shout me, and please, all of you, like I said in the YouTube, immediately after this, do put your honest comments down, and if you can, write down the list of things that you trade. Yeah, so we will make a list of that, and we will spend more time on that than other ones. We will look at the other ones if there's an opportunity, but we devote more time to what you trade, not what I want to tell you, basically. Okay. Yes, no, anybody, anything in private chat or whatever? Oh, welcome, thank you. Okay. Okay, George, everything is on recorded. So as soon as we finish here on Dugu, look in YouTube and you will get everything sawa sawa. Kabisa, na? Okay. So Nishan bhai, Osman Nishan bhai, shall we hit the close button?
Yes, yes, bhai.
Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1, and we are gone. Bye for now.